Frankie. Hope you're doing good. Also, good evening. Till now we have configured, in the previous session, we have configured about the payment terms configurations for the customers and also payment term configurations for the vendors also. Okay. Today, we are going to discuss about the what are the installment payments, and if we have the scenario of the installment payments, what is the configurations that we need to do. And the next one is here we need to take care of all those things. What are those things means? Installment payments. Why? Because in the transaction code OBB8, I will going to share the screen. You can just see. Yeah. So this is the payment terms configurations installment payments with gas discounts. Okay. Till now you have seen about the cash discounts. Okay, when we have the installment payments and we will have the cash discounts, right? For every installments we will going to offer one cash discounts for the customers also and also for the vendors. Okay, so for this what we need to do is we need to create the payment terms, installment payment terms in the transaction code OBP8 for the vendors. Okay, so when we are dealing with the customer, we need to create the payment terms now for the customer also. As per the client data only, we need to fill all those details in the fields only. Okay, then what we need to do, we just need to assign this terms of the payment in the customer master data and also in the vendor master data. So in this session, I will going to explain you about the installment payments with cash discounts configurations for the vendor only. Okay, and the next session we will going to discuss about the installment payments with cash discounts for the customer. Okay. Yeah, so for this what we need to do is we just need to go to the SAP logon screen. Okay. Here give the user ID and password. Click on the enter. Okay. The first one is, what is the transaction code here? OBB8, right? Okay. Go to the transaction code OBB8. I'm creating this payment terms, installment payment terms with the cash discounts for the vendor only. Okay, in this session we will deal with the vendor. The next session we will deal with the customer. Okay. See here you can just take SARV for vendor, right? So here you can just give the explanation. First installment 50%. First installment 50%. Okay, comma, second installment, how much percentage? That is 50% only. Then what you need to do is here you need to take the customer account type and also vendor account type. Okay, why? Because we will assign these terms of payments in the customer master data and also vendor master data. Here in the baseline data calculation, so I have already explained you about the fixed data and I will going to explain you about this one also right now. See, you are posting the invoice at a particular fixed date, that is 02/03/2022. Okay, then what you will do, you will assign the document date and also posting date, and system will calculate the cash discount and also installment payments from the particular date only, that is 02/03/2022. That means March 2, 2022. Okay, See here, if you want to add, you can just add additional month also here. Okay, and then go to the payment block option. Here in the payment block of payment method default option, you can just see there is a block key and also payment method. Okay, here this block key defines about the whether the payment terms are in blocking position, whether the payment terms are in free of payment position. Okay, then go to the payment method. So the payment method means here, what is the payment method? So it's a cash, whether we are going to pay with the cash, or else whether we are going to pay with the bank account and all, I mean bank transfers and all. Okay, then here in the default for baseline date, here I am not at all giving anything block key payment method. Why? Because it's a demo server, right? We don't have the client data. When we have the client data, we can just take out this block key and payment method as per the information of the client. Okay, so here default for baseline date will be there, and here there is a posting date. What is the posting date? See, our posting date is 01/03/2022. Okay, and you are posting the one invoice for the vendor on the date of 01/03/2022. See, system will calculate the installment amount and also cash discounts from the 01/03/2022 only, not from the March month. Okay, so if you are in the middle of the March month, it will take the, I mean, the system will calculate the cash discounts and also installment payments from the posting date only. Okay, so entry date and posting date is same, and when it comes to the document date, as I have told you about this document date, right? See, we are posting the I mean invoice for the vendor in the middle of the month. Okay, middle of the month means 15th March 2022. Okay, so it will calculate the cash discount and also installment payment from the March month only, I mean from the first March month only. Okay, so that is why each and every company will follow the document date. Okay, some of the companies will follow the posting date and also entry date. So this is not at all important, I mean for you. Okay, to give the posting date and also entry date. Then here what we need to give, here you can just give the installment payments. Okay, all those installment payments we have created payment terms, that is SARV. Okay, no need to give here fixed date and also additional months and all, and also percentages also. Why? Because we are creating one payment groups for the installments. Okay, and when the time of invoice posting, you will come to know, oh, this is the exact configurations that we are done. Okay, then go to the enter option and enter. See here, first installment 50%, second installment 50%. Okay, go to the save button, and here there is a create request. What is the create request here? The we just creating, okay, installment payment terms, okay, for the vendor. Okay, sorry, vendor, right? Okay, you can just go to the save button and click on the save button and save it. So the data was already saved. Then just go back to this option. I will also show you the transaction code OBB8 here. Here there's a new entries we need to create. Why we are creating all these entries? Why? Because I mean in the first terms of payment, that is installment terms of payments, okay, we have created SARV, that is payment for the vendor. That is all the installment payments for the vendor only. Okay, so we have given two installments, right, in the SARV payments. So first in this new entry we are giving first installment amount. Okay, what is the first installment amount? What is this one? Here I am giving SAR 1. You can take SAR 1 or else SAI 1. Okay, installment first amount. Here in the own explanation, what we need to give here the 10 days. Okay, you will get the 3% cash discount. Okay, here you can just give the 10 days, or else in the own explanation you can just give first installment. Okay, within the 10 days the customer will going to get the 3% cash discounts from the vendor. Okay, here this is a 3%. No need to give the installment payments. Why? Because we need to assign though I mean these first installment payment terms of payment and second installment terms of payment with the main terms of payment, main installment terms of payment, that is SARV in the transaction code OBB9. Okay, that is why I'm not giving anything here. You can just give percentage and number of days and click on the enter. Okay, see here first installment and there's 3%. Okay, go to the save button and here there is a create. Okay, here I'm giving short description as create first installment terms. Okay, you can just give for vendor only. You just go to the save button and save it. The data was already saved. Okay, then I will show you that one also. What we have created SAI 1, right? I think so. See, we have created this one for the customers and also vendors. Okay, so we are just posting the payment terms for the, I mean, cash discounts for the vendor only. I'm not explaining you about the customer. In this session, I'm going to explain you only about the vendor. Okay, then just go back and go to the new entries here. This is a new entry. Second installment we need to create, right? So SAI 2 is the second installment. Here give the second installment. Okay, second installment. Okay, that is 20 days, 2%. I think so. Okay, here no need to give anything. So here you can just take the document date also. Here go to the number of days, that is 20 days. For the 20 days you will get the cash discount, that is 2% only, right? I think so. Click on the enter and save. Okay, the data was already saved, SAI2. So we have to go to the SAI1. Why? Because in this I didn't take a document date. Okay, so in the default for baseline date I didn't take document date. Okay, then go to the save button and save it. The data was already saved. Okay, then we can just see Venki create individual installment payment terms. Okay, in the transaction code OBBA. So we have already created, right? What are those individual payments? That is first installments and second installments. Okay, we have created. Yes, the step was already done. And the next one is assign these installment payment terms for one payment term. The one payment term what we have created SARV, right? So we have created those two payment terms. So first one is SAI1 and second install payment is SAI2. Okay, so for this we need to assign these two payments for the one payment term only. What is the payment term? SARV, right? So go to the transaction code OBB9 here. B9. Okay, go to the new entries, take out terms of payment from the drop down option. What we have created, see, SARV, first installment 50%, second installment 50%. Okay. This is the first installment, right? Yeah. Give the 50% here and take out the payment term. What is the first installment payment term? That is SAI1, right? I think so. SAI1 is there, right? Yes. Drop down this option and go to the terms of payment. That is SARB, and this is second installment, right? So 50%, and here payment term is, you can just take SAI to second installment payment terms. We have already created. Why we are taking this? I mean 50% for the these two installments. Why means we are clearing whatever the invoice payments that are there. Okay, so with the two installments only. Okay, so half of amount only we are going to clear to the particular vendor. Okay, then go to the save button, and here there is a create request, and here assign, what is that one? First installment and second installment to the one payment term. Payment term. Okay, TR. Okay, go to the save button and save. Then what is the next one? Next configuration. So sorry, configurations are already done. With in the 3 steps only, the configurations are already done. Then here assign installment payment terms in vendor master data in transaction code XK02. Okay. XK02. Go to the transaction code XK02. See, I'm giving the company code SARA is my company code, right? I'm taking the vendor, I think so, Reka Makeup Party, right? Yes, this is the Reka Makeup Party, that is vendor. Okay. Click on all this general data and also company code data. Okay, and here click on. Okay, so here see payment terms. So in the what we have created payment terms, installment payment terms, SARP, right? I think so. Yeah, this is the installment payment terms. Then just go to the save button and save it. Changes have been made. Okay, so that is very important here. Why? Because so we are paying that amount with the 2 installments only. So that is why I have assigned this installment payment term in the transaction code XK02. That is, I mean, vendor master data. Okay, then what we need to do is here create vendor invoice in the transaction code FB60. I'm going to the screen here once again, FB60. Okay, so Sarah is the company code. Yes, everything is fine, and drop down this option and give your country, and take out the that one. What is that one? Right? Yes. And invoice date is 02/03/2022. Okay, and give the reference also, reference file here, and the amount that we are going to pay is I think so 4 lakh I am giving. And here this is purchase raw material I am giving. Okay, anything you want, you can just write it. Go to the GL account and here that is raw material account, right? Take out the raw material account and give the amount of 4 lakh rupees is the amount, right? And click on the enter option. Okay, and go to the payment. See here in the payment tab, baseline data is 02/03/2022 and due on is 02/03/2022 and payment terms is SARB payment terms. Why it is not showing the days and also percentage? Why? Because we have assigned this these installment payments, okay, payment terms in the transaction code OBP9 with SARB, that is one time payment term, one time installment payment terms. That is why it is not showing. When we post the invoice in transaction code F-53, it will automatically come. Okay, you just no need to worry about this one. So go to the simulate option. See here, raw material account debtor. Okay, Rekha account creator, Rekha account creator. So we are paying this invoice to the particular vendor with two installments. Okay, the first installment amount is 2 lakh and second installment is 2 lakh. Then just go to the save button and save it. I will also show you the document display here. See here, raw material account debtor, RM account creator, RM account creator. See here, we are paying the I mean those amounts with the installments. Okay, the first installment 2 lakh, second installment 2 lakh. Okay, with the two installments we will going to pay that amount to the particular vendor. Okay, I will show you here when we post the when we clear the vendor invoice. Here you can see the cash discounts, whatever the cash discounts that is coming, okay, from the vendor, we will get that one. I will also show you. Go to the transaction code F-53. So clearing vendor invoice. Okay, here give the document date also and a reference. Reference is 10. You can just give. Okay. Sorry. Here the document header text is clearing payment. Okay. You can just give this one. Clearing payment is this one. Okay. Go to the bank account here. You can just take any bank account. I say a bank account I am taking. How much that we are paying? That is two installments, right? So the first installment is a 2 lakh only. Okay, I'm posting 2 lakh only. Here value date is 03/2022 and here 02/03/2022. Okay, sorry, it's not that the date, right? It's text. Okay, clearing the amount or clearing the payment. Just clearing. And go to the account. Take the vendor also. Okay, who is our vendor? I think okay, then just go to the process open items. See here, you just need to take the this one. Okay, see, for the first installment I'm getting what is this one? Cash discount is 3%, right? Okay, cash discount is 3% and cash discount total amount is 6,000 rupees. Okay, for this we need to clear the 1,94,000 rupees only. Don't take second installment. Just we are posting the 2 lakh amount rupees only. Just take out the first one and ignore the second one. Okay, go to the charge of difference. How much charge of difference is 1,94,000 rupees only, right? Go to the charge of difference. Okay, here give 1,94,000 rupees. 94,000 rupees. Yes. Go to the process open items. Okay, see here. We are clearing this one, this document, and go to the document and simulate. See, so we have received the cash discount Okay, how much we have received the cash discount? 6,000 rupees. Okay, for the first installment, we got the 6,000 rupees. Right? That is very important here. Go to the save button and document was saved. Okay, I will show you the display. I mean, document display also. See here, we got the cash discount receipt, that is 6,000 rupees only. Okay, is it clear for you? Yeah, thank you so much. And again, I'm posting the second, I am clearing the second installment. I'm giving the document date here, and reference is, you can just take the reference anything, and clearing payment. Okay, I'm clearing payment, and you can just take the bank account. Don't take directly, please remove this one. Okay, take out the ICICI bank, and here how much we are clearing? 2,000, sorry, 2 lakh rupees only, right? And value date is very nice. Here clearing the payment. Okay, and take out the vendor account. What is the vendor account here? RM, right? That is Rika Mega Party. Where is it? Yeah. Okay, you can just go to the process open items. See here, we have already cleared the first installment, so that is why it is not showing the second installment. So for the second installment, within 20 days we are paying to the vendor. Okay, so for this you are getting 2% cash discount, that is 4,000 rupees only. Okay, how much charge of difference is 1,96,000 rupees, right? Go to the charge of difference and click on this one, and here 1,96,000 rupees only. Okay, go to the process open items. See here, the due amount is 0. We are clearing the amount. Go to the document and simulate this option. See here, we are clearing the second installment to the vendor. Okay, so we are receiving the cash discount. How much we are receiving? 4,000. Okay, go to the save button, save it. I will show you the display option. For the second installment, for the 2 lakh rupees only, we are getting the 4%, sorry, 4,000 rupees cash discount. Why? Because within the 20 days, we are paying that amount. Okay, so that is why 2% cash discount is applicable. Okay, you can just practice this one. Okay. Then in the next session, I will going to tell you about the what is that installment payments with cash discounts for the customer also. Okay, until take care and bye.